In the city buzz, a sudden wheel bump made someone's heart skip a beat.
Huh?
Oh.
Excavator has a mischievous idea, and bulldozers pulled into it without warning. Crane stays silent, but has seen it all. Now, it's her turn to act. A second bump, but this time it's heart-driven.
Huh?
Four vehicles, four paths, now share one rhythm, not by chance, but by heart. All four vehicles came to a stop, waved goodbye to the audience, and then continued on their way. Love doesn't always start with flowers. Sometimes, just a tiny bump is enough. The city morning is so gentle. Sunshine glides over rooftops. The breeze carries the smell of fresh bread. But plop! A baguette suddenly drops from the bakery cart. Someone just dropped a warm, crunchy moment right on the street. Bulldozer tries to move on, as if nothing happened. But Forklift's eyes seem to stop his wheels. One glance, and his heart hits the brakes. Uh-oh, flustered mode activated. Bulldozer pauses to think, then decides to do something. Not because of a rolling baguette, but because of a gaze that makes his heart want to act. Forklift doesn't speak, just rolls closer. No thanks needed. Just a gentle gaze that makes Bulldozer stay still a little longer. Bulldozer says nothing, just tilts his blade slightly. Then, the bread rolls to Forklift. Sometimes, the smallest action speaks the loudest to the heart. No words were exchanged, just two vehicles turning around, rolling side by side. One loaf, yet a whole bright morning begins. Not a big gift, just a small gesture.
Bye-bye.
But sometimes, that simple thing becomes the sweetest beginning of all. Early morning, the city is peaceful. Blue Forklift rolls slowly and spots a big broken branch blocking the road. Seeing their friend in trouble, red-orange Excavator, purple Crane, and yellow Roller quickly appear from the same direction. Though the road is tight, they're ready to help. The scene shifts to a new layout. Purple Crane is the first to act, extending its arm and wrapping its hook around the big branch. Everyone watches closely, hopeful and ready. As soon as the branch is pulled aside, red-orange Excavator and blue Forklift begin clearing the remaining debris. Each performs its part with perfect coordination. Now it's Yellow Roller's time to shine. Its big drum slowly rolls over, smoothing the cleared road. The other friends cheer in delight. The four friends line up together, smiling with flashing lights. What a fulfilling morning of teamwork and friendship! Holy moly! A monster pothole blocks the road? With a trap like this, who dares to pass? Road rescue! Stat! Team, roll in! Fix it fast! or traffic's doomed. Barriers flying like superheroes landing. Speed is great, but not chaos speed. Turn your back 5 seconds. Concrete's flying. They might need to fix the fix. They came to fix the pothole and ended up remodeling the sidewalk. Luckily, Crane spotted the mistake and fixed the sign just in time. Forklift buzzes back and forth, carefully realigning the barriers. Mixer spins and sprays. Who knew the sidewalk needed a spa day? Lights on, mission done. The crowd glows all around.